To prepare this delicious chicken, we need to marinate it first. Take half kg boneless chicken, add half teaspoon salt, 1/4 teaspoon black pepper powder, and 1 teaspoon oil. Mix it all well and let it rest for at least 10 minutes. Then after 10 minutes, preheat your pan on medium flame for 2 to 3 minutes. Then add 1 tablespoon of oil and 1 tablespoon butter. Please be very careful. Preheating would prevent your chicken from sticking to the utensil. To make it easier, simply use some non-stick pan. Then after that, place the chicken and let it cook for 4 to 5 minutes undisturbed. This gives a beautiful golden crust. Then after 4 to 5 minutes, flip and let it cook for another 4 minutes until perfectly seared. Now remove the chicken and keep aside. Now it's time to prepare the sauce in the same pan. Believe me guys, this recipe is very simple and is very promising. Try it once and you would want to try it again. Take the same pan, lower down the flame, then add 1 tablespoon butter and 1 tablespoon chopped garlic. Saute for 20-30 seconds just until fragrant. Now add half cup fresh cream and 1/4 cup milk. Mix gently. Then season with half teaspoon salt, half teaspoon crushed pepper, 1/4 teaspoon chili flakes and half teaspoon oregano. You can adjust the spiciness according to your level. I like it a little spicier, so I added in a little more chili flakes. Now cook this on low flame until the sauce becomes smooth and creamy. Now add the chicken back into the pan and coat it with the sauce. Let it simmer on low to medium flame for 3-4 minutes so that the flavors absorb beautifully. For extra richness, you can melt in 1 tablespoon of cheese. Finish with a sprinkle of crushed pepper and some fresh coriander leaves. Ta-da! You prepared a creamy garlic pepper chicken. Beautiful, glossy, smooth and absolutely irresistible. Serve it with rice, roti or naan. I like mine with naan. If you enjoyed the recipe, don't forget to like, subscribe and share your suggestions in the comments. Thanks for watching.